Day that we met, I can't believe that we're meant to be together and whatever it is now. Alone, alone without your love, alone without your touch, alone without the kisses on my forehead every night. I know for sure that everything will be alright. But no, you got cold. Will you still be there by my side? Oh no, I'm all alone again. No longer on my head. The tears are drying up with you not holding up my head.
Palakpakan natin mga kapamilya. Colette, live na live sa kapamilya. Grabe
Thank
naman
you
yun.
po.
Sample pa lang yan mga kapamilya. No? Pero yan na nga, Colette, grabe, invite mo ang ating mga kapamilya na mag-follow sila sa iyong mga social media accounts. And of course, your message to all your supporters out there.
Guys, please follow my Facebook account, my IG, Instagram, and syempre my Twitter. And para doon nyo po ako makita or doon nyo po makita yung mga faceable ko doon.
Oo.
At ma-update kayo sa mga everyday life ko.
Yes!